If you've ever lived in Mumbai or traveled there, you know that chaat is a big thing. This delicious mixture of sweet, savory, spicy, salty is available on street carts all over the city. Today we're going to take the concept of chaat and deviled eggs and mush them together. We're making deviled egg chaat. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings and Adventures. I'm going to take the concept of deviled eggs, that's super simple, and I make this all the time on my channel. And I'm going to pizzazz it up with some chatpata, chaat masala, and some other ingredients that are available in chaat. This is going to be absolutely delicious and your friends and family are going to love it. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and do ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to start with 4 eggs, and these have been boiled and cut in half. Gently remove all of the yolks into a bowl. Keep the egg cases aside for now, and I'm going to work on the yolks. I like to use my mojito muddler, but you can use a spoon or whatever else you like to break down these yolks. Start with a tablespoon of mayo and work this in to smooth out all of the yolk lumps. I'm using mayo today, but you can substitute sour cream for a lower calorie option. I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayo in total. Next, for some spices, I'm going to add a half teaspoon of cumin powder, a half teaspoon of red chili powder, and a half teaspoon of chaat masala. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of finely minced onion, 1 teaspoon of minced green chili, and let's not forget finely chopped coriander. I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of tamarind sauce, and I'm also going to add a half teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. I'm going to follow this with a half teaspoon of green chutney sauce, and I'm going to mix this well together. For best results, always chill the filling before you use it. The filling is now chilled and I have it filled into an icing bag with a large tip. Of course, you can use a teaspoon to fill the cases, but I find this really messy and I prefer to pipe my filling into the cases. I'm going to line these up and away you go. By the way, any leftover filling makes a great sandwich spread. I'm ready to serve this, but not without all of the trimmings, Mumbai style. I'm going to garnish with a pinch of red chili powder, followed by chaat masala, a sprinkling of finely minced onion, and some thin slices of green chili. I'm also going to add some finely chopped coriander. And you can't have chaat without all of the sauces. I'm going to start with tamarind sauce. I'm using a little squeeze bottle to neatly dot the eggs with the sauce. And I'm also going to add green chili sauce. Here I'm using an eyedropper. If the dropper is wide enough, it'll work well. And of course, if you don't have either of these, you can just use a spoon. I'm adding some of that chili garlic sauce. This is missing one key and final ingredient, fine save. This is made from chickpea flour paste, squeezed into hot oil through a tiny sieve. The finest you can get is the best for these eggs. Just top each one with that crunchy goodness, and this is ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for deviled egg chaats. This is a creative and innovative idea and it's going to blow your friends' minds when you serve it. at your next party. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. Share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends, and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage on all of my social channels. So follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.